To connect your Apple Vision Pro to a PC, start by ensuring your Vision Pro is updated to the latest software. Next, go to your PC and download the iTunes application if you have not already done so. Install iTunes and launch the application. Use a USB cable to connect your Vision Pro to the PC. Once connected, you may be prompted to trust the device on both your Vision Pro and PC. Select Trust on both devices to establish a connection. If prompted, select the type of connection you want to use, such as file transfer or internet sharing. Once connected, you can transfer files between your Vision Pro and PC using the iTunes application. You can also use the Vision Pro as a modem to share its internet connection with your PC. To do this, go to the Settings application on your Vision Pro. Select the cellular or Wi-Fi option, and then select the personal hotspot option. On your PC, go to the Network and Sharing Center. Select Set up a new connection, and then select Wireless. Select your Vision Pro from the list of available networks and enter the password displayed on your Vision Pro to connect to the internet. To disconnect, simply unplug the USB cable or disable the personal hotspot on your Vision Pro. It is also a good idea to regularly back up your Vision Pro to your PC to prevent data loss in case your device is lost or damaged. To do this, open the iTunes application, select your device, and then select the Summary option. Click the Backup Now button to start the backup process. This will save your Vision Pro data to your PC, including contacts, photos, and other important information. By following these steps, you can easily connect your Apple Vision Pro to a PC, transfer files, share the internet connection, and back up your data.